I want you to try do something right now. Put your phone down for just 5 minutes. Not because I'm going to judge you, but because I bet within those 5 minutes, your hand will reach for it at least 3 times. That's not weakness. That's your brain literally fighting you. This is what kills me. You're not even enjoying it when you do pick it up. You just, doing it. On autopilot. Like your thumb has its own agenda. But what if the problem isn't that you lack discipline? What if it's that your brain is genuinely starving for something real? Today, I'm sharing my 7 hobbies that actually satisfy that hunger. Scrolling is designed to be addictive. You don't just get more time back. Your brain starts rewiring itself. So let's get into it. 1. Writing. Not for an audience. For yourself. This could be journaling. Bullet journaling. Writing short stories. Even writing angry letters you never send. The point isn't perfection. The point is that writing forces your brain to slow down. With writing, your brain is in create mode. 2. Learning a skill. This could be drawing, painting, anything where your hands are actually doing something. This is why this matters. Your hands are connected to a huge part of your brain. When you're creating something physical, you're bad at it at first. And that's actually the point. 3. Movement that you actually enjoy. That could be dancing, walking, yoga, martial art, whatever makes you feel alive. Scrolling keeps you stuck in your head. Movement gets you back in your body. And you're literally training your nervous system to be calmer. 4. Reading. I know. It could be long-form articles, newsletters, non-fiction about something you're actually obsessed with. This is what reading does that scrolling doesn't. It demands your attention. 5. Spending time with people you actually care about. No phones. Real conversation. The kind where you forget what time it is. Real connection rewires your brain in ways nothing else can. 6. Creating something that might never get seen. Paint pictures for your apartment. Build a side project. You're not performing. You're just making. 7. Spending time in nature. Go outside. Walk barefoot on grass. Sit by water. Look at trees. I'm not being poetic here, there's actual science. It resets your nervous system. It reminds you that you're part of something bigger than your phone. Scrolling feels good for 3 seconds. These hobbies feel good for hours after. You don't have to do all 7. Pick one. Just one. Start there. Maybe it's writing. Maybe it's sitting outside. This week, instead of picking up your phone, pick up something else. See what happens.